I'm looking at the DesignJet 750 or DesignJet 755 that's got the cartridge error. It's saying to you install colour cartridges when you've already got them installed. First thing you'll probably notice when this machine boots up, if it's a problem with one of the colour cartridges, automatically switches it into mono mode. If you try switching it into colour, it will come up with the install colour cartridges and just immediately blip back to mono again. Okay, so what we need to do is ascertain which of those cartridges is defective. So press the access cartridge button, carriage moves over, open up the top cover, back to the front panel, and we can see it's telling us there's a cartridge there flashing. Now this could be a defective cartridge, or it could be the carriage itself that's defective. Easiest way to ascertain this, especially if you don't have any spare cartridges, pull the one out that's defective. Now on this machine the colour cartridges are interchangeable, the black isn't, because it's a different number, it's a number 45 on the black, but the 44 colours, you can swap them from one slot to the other. Not a good idea to leave them there, because obviously your colours are all going to be wrong, but for this purposes it's quite useful. We'll take the yellow out that we're showing as good, and we'll pop it into the cyan slot. If we go back to the front panel, we can see, the cyan cartridge is now saying it's happy, it's there, and the yellow is obviously missing because we haven't put anything in there. Okay, now just as a quick double check, we can take the original cyan cartridge that we had and pop it into the yellow slot. And back to the front panel, sure enough it's not recognising it. So that looks fortunately just to be a cartridge problem. So what we'll do, put the yellow back into its correct slot, get ourselves a replacement cyan, install that, and the front panel is now saying lower window to continue, so it's happy that it's recognising all the cartridges. Switch it into colour mode just by pressing that button, shut the top cover, and what the DesignJet's now going to do, it will do a printhead calibration just to make sure it's happy that all those are working correctly. So we'll come back to that in a second. So following the printhead replacement, the machine's now completed its printhead alignment or calibration, and you should see a page very similar to this coming out, and the front panel should come ready saying that it's happy that it's passed its alignment. So that's all good, and the machine's now ready to plot again.